Hey everyone, Alexander Matthias here from saxophonemasterclass.com. In this lesson, I'm going to play for you and show you all the notes for When the Saints Go Marching In. Before we move on, make sure to go to saxophonemasterclass.com/When the Saints to download the sheet music as well as all the fingerings for this song. First, I'm going to start by playing you the entire melody. So we're going to start with phrase 1 of When the Saints Go Marching In. The first 4 notes are D, F sharp, G, and A. This is what it sounds like. So now we just repeat the same thing again after we take a small rest, like this. And that's the first phrase of When the Saints Go Marching In. The second phrase of When the Saints Go Marching In is very similar, but we move on to additional notes. So it starts the same way as the first phrase. But then we add in F sharp, D, F sharp again, and then to E, like this. When we combine the two, we get the full phrase. The third phrase starts on F sharp, which is this note. So the third phrase goes from F sharp, E, D at the very beginning. We then repeat D and go to F sharp. So those two together sounds like this. We then finish from A again to G. So the entire phrase sounds like this. The last phrase is very similar to the second phrase. We start on F sharp, G, then A. Then we move down to F sharp, D, E, and finally D. So when we combine them, we have this. By now you should have completed and have all the fingerings down for When the Saints Go Marching In. Take a listen again to the complete song.